Mommy, I get show tomorrow.
Yes.
How for you?
You should be there.
How for you?
Come on, I
get show tomorrow.
Don't go disgrace yourself for now.
Relax, calm down. Don't get show. Don't worry, just relax.
You see that my baby. No, which kind of baby?
Oh, which kind of baby? That one, now for you.
That baby, I'm saying,
You know that kind of fun.
I'm on the party starter.